So cute. I wonder if you can hook up water to it. I've seen the little kid things where you can hook up water to the little sink. Oh, so cute. I love tiny miniature things. This is so nice. Wow. That's nice. You have big bad eyesight or little fingers. Wow. This is cool. Who would have thought? Ooh, more miniature cubbies. Ooh. Maybe I need something like that, but in grown-up size, kind of. Just a little bigger than kid size. Wow. That's adorable. I've never been to an IKEA before, so this is all new to me. There's no children are trying to put away everything around me. Excuse me. What a short little bed. That's cute. Problem, if I ever don't have kids, then I won't be able to decorate with fun stuff like this. Can I just decorate my own house like this? Oh my god. Everything's just set up. It's so cute. I almost feel like, oh, whose little house is this? Am I allowed to go in? I mostly just want to touch the keyboard. Why would they do that? Wow. That's so cute. I love mini chairs. Wow, if you have money, the world is your oyster. I know that, like, IKEA stuff is not always well built because it's kind of supposed to be light, even though particle board. What's the deal? Particle board is super heavy. What is this? This for a bird? Light green. Valet stand with plenty of space for both clothes and towels. Hardly. One towel. Two towels. Oh my god, a little rack. It's so cute. Oh no. This one?